Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to press in a ball joint if you don't have a ball joint press. If you look on my channel, I've got other videos showing you how to use a ball joint press, how to press a ball joint out. Well, I figured I'd do a video here for you all on how to press a ball joint in simply with a large 3-pound sledgehammer, new ball joint, and some grease. As you can see, the old ball joint is out. Lots and lots of grease. You need to lubricate the ball joint, lubricate the inside of the spindle where the ball joint goes in, and then you're just going to slap it in there with a hammer. See, and for this vehicle, it's okay for it to be lubricated in there and greased, even though whether you're using a ball joint press or a shop press, or I'm going to show you this way of using a hammer, a giant sledgehammer and grease. But it doesn't matter if it's got grease in there or penetrating oil or anything, because this model on this vehicle, it's held in with a lock clip, retaining clip, and then of course the cotter pin on the nut. But I've already lubricated the heck out of it. Now I'm going to show you how I take, just grease the heck out of it. Let me get y'all positioned here. And then, you're going to slap it in there with a hammer. A big hammer. What I actually like to do is hold it up in the air, because then I can get leverage hitting down. And like I said, screw the nut on there so you're protecting the threads, and take off the rubber retainer. See, right there is where that C-clip goes. Once you got the ball joint back and pressed in, it locks it in place so it can't come back out. Slide it in there, get it started with your fingers, and then set it up here on these blocks. I try to, at least, so I can get a good swing at it. I did the other one. I did it with a press, showing you all how to use a press. You can check out the video on my channel. So on this one, simply going to hit it in with a hammer. As you can see here, yeah, we're going to turn it up right. And there you go. Couple good hits with a really big fucking hammer. Also, put some lug nuts on your threads to protect your threads. And this is a brand new hub assembly. It's got brand new bearings pressed in it. But there you go. Whoop, got hung up here on the jacket. That's how you press in the new ball joint. And so we'll just wipe that little bit of grease off. Got a paper towel here. We'll wipe that little bit of grease off. Then we can take and install the lock pin back on it. In 1 second, guys. I'm going to get the right side snap ring pliers to install the snap ring. Like I said, some people call them a C-clip, some people call them snap rings, what they're supposed to be called. I guess depending on where you live in the world, depending on what you call them. I'm just getting the snap rings out of the bag here that they come in. And we will get the right size snap ring pliers, and we'll get it installed. Alright guys, we got the right snap ring pliers here, these snap-ons. I have a lot of snap-on tools. There's other brands that I like, but Snap-on makes good shit. Let's be honest. I'm gonna lift this up here. I'm gonna give it a couple. And then I'm gonna grab a socket that fits over that. And see if I can get the snap in there at the tight fit that snap ring. Nope, this one doesn't fit. There it goes. Sorry guys, I didn't even realize I was out of view of the camera here. All I was doing was make sure the snap ring was seated in. And as you can see there, it's locked into the groove right there. And all I'm doing, yeah, and just pulling it around, make sure it's in there all the way around. Yep, and it is. And there you go guys. That's how you install a ball joint without a ball joint press. And it's locked in, it's never gonna come out. That's it. So then you ain't gotta either take it to a shop and pay them all that money to press them in and out, or you don't have to, you know, get a tool and buy a tool, you know, because tools ain't cheap. You know, these snap ring pliers right here. This set, that snap snap ring plier set. Man, say that 10 times fast. That set right there is $179. And you know, all these tools, they cost a lot of money. So here's a cheap, inexpensive way, or I guess you could say I don't know, a backwoods mechanic, if you will, or doing DIY yourself, on how to put it in ball joints without all those expensive tools. Hopefully y'all found this video useful. If you did, please hit that thumbs up button. If you're not subscribed to my channel already, please do so. I greatly appreciate it, and y'all have a blessed day.